Hello, we are from Group 4 and we will present to you about our review on the flash flood that occurred in Bukit Soga, Batu Pahat using rational method. On 5th April of 2021, flash floods have been recorded in the Batu Pahat area. The area is estimated to have flooded by water as high as 1.47 meters. It is due to the result of heavy rain for 2 hours and high tide, which caused water to overflow from the Batu Pahat River into the nearby area.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Analysis for our case study. For catchment area, the flood areas have been determined by using Google Earth Pro app, and the figure shows the flooded area that include Jalan Zabeda and Batu Pahat bus terminal. The water came from the top of Bukit Soga and go to the flooded area, and the area is 246 hectare. For the length and elevation, the figure shows the watershed that flow from the top of Bukit Soga to the flooded area, and the watershed is divided by two sections, which is section 1 and section 2. And the length for section 1 is 981 meters, and for section 2 is 1593 meters. And elevation for section 1, the highest is 259 meters, and the highest elevation for section 2 is 9 meters. Therefore, for the parameters, the time concentration that we get is 0.91 hour. And for rainfall intensity, by referring the MASMA table, we get for RE 10 years is 89.76 mm per hour, and for RE 20 years we get 101.97 mm per hour. And for runoff coefficient, for section 1 we get 0.4 and section 2 is 0.95, and the C average is 0.83. So the flow rate that we get for RE 10 years and RE 20 years is 50.91 meter cube per second and 57.83 meter cube per second. And the Q flood that occurred on 5 April 2021 at Jalan Zabeda is 55.02 meter cube per second. This shows that the Q flood is between 10 years RE and 20 years RE of flow rate.
Next is for the recommendation. The result before shows that the rainfall that occurs at the Bukit Soga are a heavy rain that flow through the improper maintenance of drainage system that make the area between Bukit Soga to Jalan Zabeda flooded. One of the recommended method is to construct a dam or reservoirs near the area of Bukit Soga. Dams and their associated reservoirs are designed completely or partially to aid in flood protection and control. Another method to overcome this problem is by improving the drainage system. In urban areas, large areas of ground are covered in concrete and tarmac. Rain is channeled straight into the drainage system, which can become overwhelmed when there are constant heavy rain in a period of time. And lastly, we can build large detention basins to collect rainwater and hold it, managing the volume of water entering urban rivers and ponds that can offer further water holding capacity. Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you.